Hi, we represent an organization called Robin Hood Army, and we have collected about 200 blankets to be sent to Chennai for the flood affected people. And we are still getting a lot of donations from different sources, and whatever donations we get from whoever people, we will direct them all to Mr. Naidu of India Glitz so that they can be distributed in Chennai.
నా పేరు రాహుల్. సో నేను యాక్చువల్గా జస్ట్ చెన్నైలో మనం లాస్ట్ 1 month నుంచి చూస్తున్నాం వరదలు రెయిన్స్ వల్ల ఎలా ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతున్నారు ఏంటనేది. సో నేను యాక్చువల్గా హెల్ప్ చేద్దామని అనుకున్నాను, బట్ నాకు సోర్స్ ఎలా చేయాలి ఏంటి అనేది తెలియలేదు. నేను నిన్న ఫేస్బుక్లో చూశాను యాక్చువల్గా indiaglitz.com త్రూ దే ఆర్ సపోర్టింగ్ ద పీపుల్ అని. సో దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు కాంట్రిబ్యూట్ ఆల్ ది థింగ్స్, అంటే ప్రజల దగ్గర నుంచి సేకరించి హైదరాబాద్లో వాటర్ బాటిల్స్, బ్లాంకెట్స్, బిస్కెట్ ప్యాకెట్స్ అండ్ మిల్క్ ప్యాకెట్స్ ఇలా ప్రజల దగ్గర నుంచి తీసుకుని జస్ట్ వాళ్ళు మెడ్రాస్ వెళ్ళి జస్ట్ ద పీపుల్ హూ రిక్వైర్డ్ వాళ్ళకి సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో నేను ఫేస్బుక్లో త్రూ చూసి కాల్ చేశాను యాక్చువల్గా, అండ్ టుడే ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు సపోర్ట్ ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ టు ద చెన్నై పీపుల్.
My name is Madhu. I saw your tweet by India Glitz on Twitter, and we just wanted to help out a little bit.
Yeah, we hope that this helps Chennai. It's a very small contribution from us, but if a lot of people put their hands together and come up with more like this, we can gather something substantial. Good luck to India Glitz. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Veena from Hyderabad. Want to give whatever little that we can for people in distress in Chennai. I'll be giving 100 biscuit packets and 60 milk packets and some saris, around 9 saris.
My name is Jyotsna and this is my friend Tejashwini. Actually, we are from Hyderabad. We've come, we collected all these from yesterday. We have collected for the Chennai flood relief. We have lots of new clothes and an old one which are in good condition. We saw the post of indiaglitz.com on Facebook. I just called up immediately and these guys were there to collect all the items from us. We've how much ever we can, we have tried to help all of them. We have some food materials which can be used up for everybody. And really thanks for coming up so soon and accepting whatever we could. She was the one who initiated it with me, and thank you so much for responding immediately so that we can reach out to people there for help. Thank you.
Yeah, my name is Jayashree. I got to know about this from Bengalis in Hyderabad, especially from Rahul Vasu. He gave me their contact, and yeah, I just wanted to help. Yeah, I have all this brand new. I bought it today morning itself. So I have some saris, some lungis, towels, bed sheets, and then t-shirts, salwar kameez, some trousers, some petticoats, and blankets.
My name is Pavel Gupta, and as he shared, we bought this all items, and it is through Bengalis in Hyderabad we got to know this, and I hope this will reach the needed persons, and this will help them to get recovered soon from this flood.
Hi India Glaze. This is a little contribution from Biking Food Products Private Limited Hyderabad for blood relief of Chennai tragedy.
Hi India Gates, my name is Khushbu. Probably I took the opportunity to take a step for this Chennai funds, whatever had happened there. So I had a heart for them. So I uploaded a status on Facebook, and she's my friend Shloka, who helped me a lot in collecting stuff from her side. I took help from my friends who are my very close friends, collected money from my colleagues, and we were able to collect some funds. After that we got biscuits, milk tetra packets, chips, so that it can be helpful for them. We got medicines, and for ladies we got blankets, saris, and yeah, we took the effort and we are feeling very happy about it.
Actually, these both have, they spend a lot of time and they struggle a lot to manage this all stuff.
For us without sleep.
Yeah. So, Shloka?
And we hope that things reach Chennai safely, because we are feeling very bad about it that these people had to face something like that.
Exactly. So we got all the stuff as much as we could from various people.
Yeah, if you guys need any more help,
you can
we
let
are
us
ready
know.
to help you guys
Yeah.
out about it. That's
Sure.
it. That's what we can say.
And all this stuff,
And thank you
whatever
guys
we
for
could.
you guys helping us out to make this stuff reach there.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys.
And all this stuff, mostly the bread packets we've got, medical wise we've got medicine
safety for the girls,
and
got the
sanitary napkins, and we've got biscuits, and we've got bed sheets and covers
Yeah.
for the cover. And what else did we get?
Tetra milk packets.
Tetra milk packet, water packet, chips and biscuit, all dry food which can be consumed directly so that they don't have to cook and all. So that would be good.
హాయ్ మై నేమ్ ఇస్ అశోక్ ఫేస్బుక్లో చూసాము ఇండియా గ్లేడ్స్ అది. సో చెన్నై వరద బాధితుల గురించి ఈ అడ్రసెస్ ఇస్తున్నాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
When we saw the destruction on TV to what has happened to Chennai and some of the other places in Tamil Nadu, actually we felt very bad. We could not go to Chennai and really do anything on ground. So we thought we should do a small contribution from our side to just collect a few stuff. And that is when I was going to Twitter, I saw this tweet from the India Glitz people, and that's when I decided that I will try to do something for it. It just started as a very small thing. I thought I should just inform a few of my friends around who will be able to contribute, and I have had a very overwhelming response to my request, and I'm thankful to each one of them. Almost 20 families have contributed this, and this is the result of all the contribution. We have been able to collect about 38 to 40 bags of clothes and sanitary napkins and mosquito coils, candles, few packet of biscuits and other eateries. We have not concentrated much on eatables because our concentration was more on clothes, especially ladies' clothes, nighties and bedsheets and blankets. This is not for any publicity's sake. It is just a heartfelt feeling a need to connect to our brothers and sisters who are suffering in the rain. So hope it reaches the right hands and hope people are benefited out of it.
Just we are here to help Chennai. So rather than help, I'll say support Chennai. So India Glitz has taken good initiative to gather all the helping hands, support hands together. So it's a good initiative. So whatever possible ways we can support Chennai, we can support that.
చెన్నైలో రీసెంట్గా సంభవించిన ఈ వరదలకు సంబంధించి మేము డొనేట్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఈ వాటర్ బాటిల్స్, టవల్స్, కొన్ని నైటీలు, మెడిసిన్స్, పేస్ట్లు అంతా డొనేట్ చేస్తున్నాము. మేము indiaglitz.com ద్వారా అప్రోచ్ అయ్యి మాకు తోచిన సహాయం మేము చేస్తున్నాము. ఈ వరద బాధితులకు అందించి వాళ్ళకి మా యొక్క ప్రగాఢ ఈ సమస్యను తెలియకోరుతున్నాం.
ఈ చెన్నై వరద బాధితులకి నేను, మా అన్నయ్య, మా పిల్లకాయల తరఫున 30,000కి విలువైన సరుకులు ప్లస్ మా గంగారావు, మా సూపర్వైజర్, ఆయన కూడా కొంచెం పార్టిసిపేట్ చేశాడు ఒక 4,000కి. ఈ వాటర్ బాటిల్స్, నైటీస్ అన్నీ కూడా సాయం చేస్తున్నాం. ఇంకా సాయం చేయాలని దేవుడిని కోరుకుంటున్నాము. ఇంకా వీలైతే నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ ఇంకా కూడా సాయం చేస్తాము. ఇంకా థ్యాంక్ యూ. మా పాపల ద్వారా ఈ సాయం చేస్తున్నాము.
This is a great opportunity for us to actually help the Chennai victims. We, as a part of the Bengalis in Hyderabad team, are sending some relief items we could arrange from our members' contribution. They have been very helpful to make sure that all the items which are to be delivered are being procured and being handed over to the India Glitz team. We thank the India Glitz team for helping us out in the logistics part, and we wish them all the best.
నా పేరు భాగ్యలక్ష్మి. దీని గురించి మా ఫ్రెండ్ ఒకరు చెప్పారు, సాయితేజ అనే ఎవరో చెన్నైకి వెళ్తున్నారు అనుకుంటూ చెప్పిండే కి ఫ్లడ్స్ రిలీఫ్ కోసం వెళ్తున్నారు, మీ దగ్గర ఏమైనా క్లోత్స్, బ్లాంకెట్స్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే చెప్పండి అనుకుంటూ చెప్పిండే. సో తీసి ఇచ్చారు అంతే. అండ్ దెర్ వాజ్ అన్ ఇమేజ్ ఇన్ ది వాట్సాప్. సో అది దాని నుంచి తెలిసింది.
Gracias.